In this video, I'll show you how to reset the Wi-Fi settings of your Samsung TV. This works with many different models of Samsung TV. So what you need to do is to take your remote control and press the home button, the one right here, once. Then you're going to press the left side arrow on the remote control a few times until you have highlighted settings right there on the bottom left side of the screen. Press OK, the middle button here, once you're on it. This menu will appear and we need to navigate until you select General. Navigate using the down arrow and then press OK. Press the down arrow until you highlight Network, then press OK. From here we're going to go down and select Reset Network. Press OK. And then select Reset on the left side by clicking on the left arrow and then pressing OK once more. It will take a few seconds and it will disconnect from all the Wi-Fi networks that this TV is connected. So if you had issues connecting to the internet, this could solve the issue. So once this is done, you're going to get this screen and you need to select Network Settings. And you're going to choose between wireless or wired. And I bet most people want to connect to their Wi-Fi network. So once wireless is highlighted, you're going to press the OK button on the remote control. From here, the TV will scan every single Wi-Fi network around, and it will give you this list. You just need to navigate and highlight your Wi-Fi network. Then press OK once you're on it. And you'll need to type the password of that Wi-Fi network. If your password is only number, you can go ahead and type it using the keypad on the remote control. If not, use the virtual keyboard to type letters. Once you're done, you're going to press done over there. Navigate with your arrows, until done is selected and then press OK. It will take a few seconds, sometimes even a minute if your wireless router is far away. And at the end, you're going to get this green check mark on your screen telling you that your TV is now connected once again to the internet. So this is it. Just press OK and you're able to use it again. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.